Okay, so I'm finished baking. I let it bake for about an hour, and the cheese turned kind of brown on top, which I knew it would, and it came out perfect. As it was cooking, I took some of the juice. That crushed tomato kind of gets runny, so I kind of put that, spooned it over the top of the cheese so it wouldn't burn. But after about an hour, this is what it looks like. Hang on 1 second. This turned out excellent. That's what it looks like. I'm very proud of it. If I can turn on the light, let me see if I can turn on the light. Of course the light doesn't work, but anyways, that's what it looks like after it's cooking. It's cooked. It's going to be really good. Lily likes noodles with it, so I'm boiling some noodles for her. She likes noodles with it, but anyways, today Lily and we took a train from Florence, Italy here to Pisa. You know, the Leaning Tower of Pisa? And that thing is incredible. That thing is leaning so much, I'm surprised it's not falling over. But we had a good time. It cost, let's see, $16 for a train. It's about, or 16 euros. It takes about an hour to get there, but we had a good time. It was really, really interesting. We had a good lunch. And, well, anyways. But yeah, we had a good day. So now I'm going to let that cool down. I'm cooking Lily's noodles, and then I'm going to have dinner. It's now 9 o'clock, and we're eating kind of late. It's kind of normal around here. So anyways, I love you, Emily. Mom, I hope you see this video. I hope you cook this. If you do, let me know how it turns out. Love you. Bye-bye.